Hey guys, it's A&T Academy with another math tutorial on how to easily, quickly square two-digit numbers in your mind very quickly. Okay, so what my partner was saying is, squaring. You ever heard of it? It's when let's start with something easy. Let's say someone says square 4, right? This basically means 4 times 4, right? Now what is 4 times 4? Now, since it's pretty easy, we know it's 16, right? Now, however, let's say we didn't get such an easy question. Let's say we got something like 29 squared, or 29 times 29. Right? Now this is a little bit tougher. Why? Because it's two digits that are taking more time. So what my partner is going to explain is basically our method that we use to square two-digit numbers easily in your head. So what I would like to ask you is to mentally square this number 79, square 79 in your head. Forgot something. In your head without using any paper and without using a calculator. So I'll give you 1 second. All right. Make sure you pause the video too. The 79 squared, we'll do it together. So it's not something like this. This is not how I will present it to you. 79 over 79 and multiplication. No, not like that. It's actually quite different. So what I'm gonna lay it out in is this. So 79, right? So now what we want to do, you want to round the number to the nearest multiple of 10. So the multiples are 10 in the two-digit range. Should be, you should know this, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, and 100, because you might do some higher squaring problems. So 79, and now we just want to draw an arrow to the top. You don't have to format it this way, but this is the way I learned it in. So now you want to minus 1 from it, right? I mean, you want to add 1 or minus a 1. You just want to add the number to make it, add or subtract the number to make it a multiple of 10. So 79 is just 1 away from 80. So we're going to add 1 to that and then minus 1 to this side. All right? So 79 plus 1 is 80. All right? And 79 minus 1, oops, I forgot the 0. 79 minus 1 is 78. So now now basically what you want to do, you don't need to draw the other unnecessary marks. You want to do 80 times 78. And this method is actually easier because of this. At this point, it's easier because all you need to do is just do 80 times 78, or you could just simplify it and make it 78 times 8 and then add a 0 to the end. So I'm gonna give you I'm not gonna wait at all. I know because I just did it in my head. 80 times 78 is 6,240. So 6,240, all right? And basically what you can do, you could do 70 times 80, and then 78 times 8, whatever you want to do. And then once you do get that answer, this is not the final answer though, all right? So you still have to remember this because you'll see the answer soon. If you're searching it up, you know that this is not the answer. In fact, what you have to do after this to make it the correct answer is basically want to just take the square of the number 1 and add it to your final product from here. So 6,240 plus 1, shouldn't be writing this out either because it's quite easy. 6,241. So, no pun intended. This is 100% real. Go and search it up for like on your computers or whatever. And here is my partner with the first practice problem he's going to present to you. Right here. Trying to sneak out of the camera.
So, hey guys, here is something to help you understand, if you didn't yet, the method. So, what we'll be using is 28 squared. Okay, like Marta said. First step, what's the first step? What you want to do is round up, round to the nearest 10. So 28 to the nearest 10 is 30, right? So let's just make this a little more. Okay? So 28 is 2 away from 30, right? So what we want to do first is 2 away from 30. So 28, you get 30. Okay? The second number you get, when you minus 2, because you added 2 to get to 30, you have to subtract 2 from 28. 28 minus 2 is 26. So now, we have 30 times 26. What's our next step? What we want to do next is multiply. 30 times 26. You can do it like this, or you can just do 26 times 3 and find the answer. The answer is 780. So this is the answer to 30 times 26. Now, step 3. Like Marta said, we are not done yet. Little more work to do. So 780, you have to add one number to 780. Now again, what did we? We added 2 and we subtracted 2. So what's the common number? 2. Now we square 2. Remember I said in the beginning that squaring one-digit numbers is pretty easy, right? We have 4, we have 16, we have all these easy numbers, right? All the way to 81. Anyway, so the square of 2 is 4. 2 times 2 is 4. So then we add 4. Now, 7, 8, 4. So this is our final answer. So that is our final answer. And here's my partner with another practice problem to help you further understand the topic.
So try to sneak in there. Yeah, the reason why my partner is he stopped and stared somewhere was because we didn't plan this out that much before. But I forgot to tell you, what about those harder numbers which involve squaring with 5? So now you take 75, for example, 75, and you want to square that. So now there's another easy method you can use. So I haven't taught my partner this yet, so that's why I just said I would just do it by myself. 75 squared is basically how to do this. You want to do 70 times 80, because we're doing that quick adding, because adding and subtracting 5 to 75 would result in 80 and 70. So now 80 and 70, so 80 times 70 is 5,600. And now all you need to do is just add 25 to that. So now let's take another example. 15. So 15, adding and subtracting 5 to that would be 20 and 10, and then 20 and 10. That is the product of those two numbers is 200, and then all you need to do is just add 25. So this is a really easy thing to do. All you need to do is just take that number and then take the other number. So yeah. So all you need to do is just, if you're like squaring 85, all you need to do is just take 80 and then 90 and then multiply those two, 7,200, then add 25 to that. That would be 7,225. That is basically 85 squared. It's super quick. You can amaze all your friends. So now another example, I'm going to put it in the lower digits here. So it's going to be 74 squared. So now 74 times 74. So now this is a lower digit one, so you're going to have to round down. This is not the format that I did previously, but it sort of helps me better than the previous layout I laid it out in. So 74 plus 4 minus 4 is 78. And 70, so now 78 times 70, that is basically, you can simplify it to 78 times 7. And 78 times 7, so what I like to do here, I just like to do 70 times 7, which is 490. 490, and then 56, which is 8 times 7. Alright, 56. Alright, 490 plus 56, so we do all this stuff. Carry the 1. 546, and now all we have to do is just add this. No, this is not really what we intended to teach you, but 546, add a 0 at the end, and that is 74 squared. But no, we're not done yet. So we still have to add the 16 from the 4. Because 4 squared is 16, we have to still add that. So 5,460 plus 16 is 5476, or it can be 5,476. All right, so now those were the examples I want to show you. And anyway, that was the video. Hopefully you check out our other mathematical magic videos. I'm sure we're gonna upload some more.
And make sure to check out our other math and science videos. We have stopped with our inequalities and solving everything, graph them on our number line.
Yeah, those basic pre-algebra stuff.
Yes, and we might move on to other fun things like slope, graphing, Pythagorean theorem, trigonometric ratios, so all of that fun thing. And it's very fun. It's very fun. And for our science videos, we might move on to some astronomy, physics, what everyone likes.
Sometimes.
At least what I like.
Yeah, our
What
next
was-
video we're planning to make is how exactly the tides work, the high tide, low tide, and stuff like that. So
Yes,
stay
and
tuned for that.
tides.
We're also doing some gaming videos. Fortnite is now the new trend.
Yes, so we will be doing Fortnite instead of Mario Kart. I guess this guy said.
No, we still will be doing Mario Kart.
We still will be, but we're doing Fortnite. And
yeah, Fortnite
so,
is sort of our
by the way, the thing is, I've looked at many YouTube videos online about Fortnite, and they all tell you to land in these different types of cities, right? Junction, we have Retail Road, Junction, Tilted Tower, all these things, right? And maybe some in the woods. However, my partner here,
Akil. My name is Akil, and his name is Tatinish.
We've gone over that in our channel trailer as well. Alright.
Yeah.
We've gone over that in our channel trailer. Just saying, we just use our gaming name. But anyway, Akil here, he has this great strategy instead of landing. We might, so not to spoil it right now, we might tell you in a separate video on his strategy that landed me from going from like 25th and going to like, I ended up in like 4th or 3rd place.
4th, yeah.
4th place. And I only ended up in 4th because I eliminated myself by jumping into an ocean.
I'm a master, guys.
Okay? Not because of his strategy, because I jumped into an ocean for some stupid reason.
I told him to go to the coastline, but anyway, we're going a little off topic.
Yes.
Stay tuned for our next video, and hope you like and share it to people who know.
People who you think are interested.
Yeah, sorry for my forgetfulness. I've been staring into the distance, wondering about when I'm going to reach level 100 in Fortnite.
Which is not going to happen, but you know, you can.
I mean, I've done it.
He's done it, yeah, but he really...
Along the way with like 28 separate wins.
Yeah.
I've done that.
Uh-huh.
So anyway, that was the video.
Yes. Make sure to smash that subscribe button and hit the like button.
Bye.